Welcome students, and today we will start with a new chapter which is software and its types. So let's start. First of all, we have to understand what is a software. We all react differently according to the situation. Have you ever thought that how it becomes possible? Let us understand this with an example. What happens when your teacher asks a question and you know the answer? You simply raise your hand, isn't it? What prompts you to raise your hand? It is the brain that gives you instruction to react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of the computer without which it cannot exist. A computer without instruction is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instruction given by a user to work on. These sets of instruction are called programs, which are written in computer language. Software is the collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardwares and help user to work on the computer. Software is that part of computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software is of two types: system software and application software. System software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and internal working of the computer system. It reads data from input device and transfers the processed information to output device. System software is of three main types. First one, operating system, second one, language processor, and third one, utility software. Operating system. Operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Now let's look to an example for clear understanding. An operating system works like a principal of your school. As the principal has various responsibility to manage the school, like supervising students, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetables, curriculums and attending parents and visitors, etc. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in the school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of the computer is not working properly, then you cannot work on it. Operating systems like MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are some popular operating systems. Language processor. Each software is created by writing programs in computer language. Some of the popular computer languages are Java, C and C++. As we know that a computer can understand only the machine language, which comprises 0 and 1s, therefore programs written in these languages cannot be recognized by a computer. Here a language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language to machine language. Utility software. Utility software performs specific tasks usually related to the managing of computer, its devices and its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Some utility programs helps to avoid virus attacks, to take backups of data, to recover data that has been accidentally erased. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security, and network program. You can buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost in the internet. Application software. These are set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs, like beautifying the documents, doing calculations, arranging data in an organized manner, making airlines and railway reservation systems, etc. Computer languages are used in creating these type of softwares. The application software can be further divided into two categories. General purpose application software. These software can perform many tasks to fulfill the general needs. Some of the examples of general purpose application software are word processing software. A word processing helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and effectively. You can easily add, delete, rearrange or beautify the text and can even produce a hard copy of the document as per requirement. For example, Microsoft Word, WordPad, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations and display the data in the form of a chart to analyze in a better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its applications areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, and interest calculation. Example, Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, etc. DBMS, Database Management System. Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our daily routine. For example, managing telephone directories, payroll information, etc. Database software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the information stored in a database. For example, Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org Base, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. Presentation software. Presentation software is used to present an idea or concept in a lively manner. This software helps you to create and display slides on a computer or on a projector for business and educational purpose. It lets you create slides, charts, animation and video clips. Examples: Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, Adobe Flash, etc. Desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, printed forms, advertisement, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. Examples: CorelDRAW, Adobe InDesign, etc. Graphic softwares is used to create image such as charts, graphics, photographs, logos, cartoons, and much more. Example: Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. Multimedia software is used to create videos, animation, sound, graphics, and text with a high degree of interactions. Example: game softwares, window media players, window movie maker, etc. Special purpose application software. Software which are designed to meet the specific need of any user are called specific purpose application software. Example: Tele, Busy, etc. Such software are also known as customized software. Some of the customized software are as follows: reservation systems, billing system, payroll system, etc. With this, we are finished with the chapter. Thank you and stay at home.